In this PulseWorx-EZ video, I'm going to show you how to configure the Powerline interface. All you need to do is go to the Network tab and then press the Configure button. PulseWorx-EZ works with all the UPB interfaces, the serial PIM, which talks to a true serial port, the USB PIM, which when you plug it in, the device drivers will create a virtual serial port. This is the one that currently PCS is shipping. The USB PIM, which is a true USB, this is used by the Simply Automated PIM and the older version of the USB PIM shipped by PCS. The PIM IP, which is an IP addressed interface, it's an older model. That's been replaced by the PulseWorx Gateway, which is a much more capable system. So we're going to go ahead and choose the serial PIM, and then we have to choose a serial port. And then we can just ask it to find it for us. We'll go ahead and do that. And it's found it on port 30. So we'll go ahead and test that connection, and it's connected. That's really all there is to doing that. If we chose the PulseWorx Gateway, we get a whole bunch of different options. We have a port, we have an IP address, but it also has a discovery capability. So we're going to go ahead and do the find and see if it locates that. And it did on 192.168.0.130. Of course, the IP address will be different, and the port is 2101. Now, if the find doesn't work, which on some networks it doesn't, you'll have to go to your router table, connect to your router using the web interface. They almost all have that, and then look for the PulseWorx Gateway IP address, and you'll be able to find that, and you can just go ahead and enter that in. And we can go ahead and test this connection. And sure enough, it's been connected just fine. And it's going to tell us that it's gateway version 1.4. If you have an older gateway, there's an app note on upgrading the firmware to 1.4. And that's pretty much all there is to it. The other options for different interfaces are pretty much about the same. If you're working with the gateway and you have a password and username put in there, you'll be able to enter those here for subsequent connections. Go ahead and close this, and now we're ready to begin working because now the gateway is connected and we no longer see that red X there. Okay, thank you for watching.